Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more security and privacy. And here we've got the option installation sources, so let's tap. So right here we can decide from which app we would like to download another app, because usually we are downloading it from the Google Play Store, but we can of course allow different apps to download and install something. For example, Chrome, like simply the browser, or Drive, because you've got the app saved there. Whatever. All you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher and your device will ask you if you really want to do it. You must remember that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So simply tap on allowed, and now the Chrome is turned on, which means that from now on we can download something from Chrome, of course the apps. And you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher again and the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.